Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad vibes. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the line. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, bloody somebody done. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire. We made it, guys. Say hi. Yeah. We made it too. Oh, they don't know where we are. Oh, do they know? No, they don't. We're in St. Lucia. We made it, you guys. I am so excited. We made it. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. I mean, I'm sure you guys seen like montages and stuff, but we are here. I'm gonna show you the Airbnb. Maybe I should give like a tomorrow morning. I'll probably do more of a thorough tour, but this is what it looks like when you first get in. This area right here, like this main area, is not doesn't have AC, but like it's still not bad once you like sit down. But this is such a beautiful island. I love it. This is our one of the first bedrooms. Nice and cool in here because the AC. Look at the view. Like so nice. And that's the bathroom through there. It's so nice. His and her sinks. Nice shower. There's me. Oh, this is a closet, I believe. Yep. One of the closets. And then you go to the other side. So excited. I'm about to get freshened up so we get in that pool, but this is the other bedroom. Very nice, simple. This is the bathroom. Another closet in here with towels and stuff. Another his and her sink. I'm glad we have 2 bathrooms because, guys, we'll talk about it later. But anyways, isn't it so nice? Another mirror. Ooh, my bad. It's just been a long day of traveling, so we're excited to finally be here. Today we're just gonna be like enjoying the Airbnb. We'll probably go out for dinner a little later, but we just been trying to relax because it's definitely an adjustment with the climate and just the roads and things like that. So we just been chilling. My friend decided to join this trip, so I'm just trying to get my bearings. But we're not gonna let that stop us because this is so beautiful, like breathtaking. So I'm excited. The only thing I sanitized so far was the couch because literally we just wanted to eat. We had some local food. Apparently Carnival's still going on until tomorrow, I believe. So our driver drove us to that area, but we got some local food. We ate that. I think I got a shot of that. So yeah, that's what's going on, you guys. We're in St. Lucia. I booked this trip like the end of March, early April. So it's just crazy that it's finally here. So we're gonna have so much fun. Tomorrow, our first excursion is the famous mud baths. Really excited for that. It's early in the morning. So, and then we're gonna do ATVs on Tuesday.
So we're gonna have a good time. I need to contact the Airbnb person because we were supposed to have groceries delivered by now, and then yeah, so that's what we're gonna get to.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to give you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all.
Hey guys, okay, so earlier, I don't know if you guys heard, but they weren't able to do our grocery shopping because there's a carnival going on, so they're gonna comp a dinner night out tonight. So we're gonna go to a place called the Mango Tree. So we're dressed now, and then when we come back, we're gonna get back in the pool because that was nice. I'm just trying to see how to turn all the lights out there. How many was able to turn on one? Yeah, that's oh, that blue one turned on. But so yeah, they're gonna come get it for 7:45. And yeah, so this is my outfit for the night. It says 2-piece. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront if it's not already. I feel like it is, but if it's not, it's gonna be linked down below. I feel like the first day, no matter where I am when I vlog, it's like I'm trying to get my bearings. But so yeah, we're just gonna go out for a little bit, come back and enjoy the Airbnb since we gotta get up so early tomorrow. So yeah.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by found and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the dog, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My ayo, don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people and shadow.
Does it feel like this?
No. Oh. It's a little, because it's like inside.
Oh, it's so nice.
Ready? There we go. Cheesy. You want to do another one? Yep. That was fire. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah, you should have got what medium well.
It's still, it smells so good though. It has a really good flavor.
I know once you get through it, it's gonna be fire. So I'm like, hey, she on where is it? Like, he said it straight out like, oh nah, nigga, that's Uptown. Hold up. So then when we got there, I was like,
That's so good.
you wanna try mine? I kinda wanna try a little bit of yours.
Yeah, try that. It's hot.
Yeah.
That's really good. That's so good. Hold on. Here's something.
The red rum place you said, right?
Yes, please. That's why I got my tripod so you don't have to. Please. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read it.
Lather. Foliate with natural remedies. Mother.
That was good. That was good.
Boom.
Oh, that's good.
Are we ready? Yes. So welcome everyone. Yummy equipment. So on this side here, normally this water would be crystal clear, and it is because of the heavy rainfalls we had not too long ago. This water is coming from way within the rainforest. So this is fresh cold water coming down. As this cold water comes through the crater of the volcano, it gets heated from gases and hot rock sunlight. Get closer to the earth. Anyone wants me to help?
Hey guys, this is the first full day that we are here. I managed to get clips of today's adventures. We did the Mudbath, we did the Waterfall, we did the Volcano tour. So we're just getting back. I'm just changing into one of my bathing suits so I can get in the pool once it stops. It's been raining on and off today. So I'm just trying to, you know, jump back into the swing of things because again I'm on my cycle. So it's like it's been really hard to try to stay in this vacation mode, but it really is such a beautiful island. So I really do love it here. There are so many different resorts on this island that like last night, that's actually a resort that you can stay at and it's really beautiful. So we're just happy to be here. I tried to use the smaller camera, but I still have to get used to that, guys. So maybe tomorrow I'll try more, or maybe later today I can try some more with that. But I guess we're about to take some shots and get in the pool some more, and we're gonna figure out dinner tonight. But let's do it.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you, no. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you, no. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mind and being light to be ignited. Can you open up the doors and let me in? Can you open up the doors and let me in? You good with the hurt inside on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place for no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth.
Hey guys, so it's much later. We're getting ready to go to dinner at this place called, I think, Seashore something. I forgot. But I just finished getting ready. I have not been wearing makeup on this trip just because it's so like humid when you step out there. But I'm just wearing the dress that I got from Shein that I did in my haul. So just some colorful, this colorful dress, and then my sandals just for a pop of color at the bottom. And I'm gonna be carrying my clear purse. But yeah, we were hanging out in the pool for a little bit, but it started raining. It was raining on and off all day today, so that's kind of why. And it's been very hard for me to vlog on this trip, but I'm doing my best. And I'm hoping tomorrow, because we're doing ATVs tomorrow, that I can use my smaller camera. I've just been being a punk and using my phone just because it's there and it's still good quality. So yeah, I just got out the shower though, that's why I look kind of like that, but that's what's going on. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see when the driver's gonna come get us, because the reservation is for 8. It's not far at all, but I just want to see when they're gonna come get us. And yeah, I'm not in the living room because the TV is blasting, so I want you guys to be able to hear me. But yeah, you guys, yeah, not gonna lie, my period coming literally the day we left for this trip is throwing me all the way off, like all the way off. I'm such a planner, and I was trying to be strategic when I planned for this trip, but somehow, some way, this was the only month so far this year that it was weird. So yeah, I'm a little off my game, but other than that, it's such a beautiful island. Definitely an adjustment, but cannot lie, it's been a beautiful time. So yeah.
Because he had the cooler in the back.
Was it this car?
Yeah, it was a white.
No, it was the other car.
Oh, was that the
Yeah. We started with this, but you guys ended it for the
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Hi.
Hello, good night.
We had a reservation for 8, but we got picked up late.
Oh, not a problem. You can go ahead and keep
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, you guys. It's the last full day in St. Lucia. So our ATVs, we were able to cancel that excursion because the one I booked was too far away from the part of the island that we're at, so they rescheduled an ATV tour that's closer. So right now I just finished getting ready for breakfast. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. We're gonna go back to the mango tree for breakfast because it's close by and just off the top of our heads that's what we're gonna do. Aside from like restaurants like that, like the resort restaurants, everything else is pretty local, so just so you know about that. But so this is the OOTD, the Shein 3-piece set with the skirt and the top. And I'm wearing my Claire sandals because it makes the most sense to me. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. And then when we come back here, I'll change for the ATVs. So yeah. So pretty in the morning. Yes, I'm so happy. Because now I can get a picture on the swing. Morning.
Good morning.
I thought there would be like a whole bunch of people right now. But it is a Tuesday. I keep forgetting.
in coconut. But the
Look at the bird.
Katrina.
or mango or regular.
Cinnamon. And can I get that with bacon?
Cheers. To the vlog. Are you enjoying yourself?
Very much so.
What's been your favorite part so far?
The mud bath and the waterfall.
Waterfall is so nice.
Yeah, the waterfall was definitely dope. And the mango with the curry and salt.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Definitely hits different.
I feel like this is my favorite meal so far, just because the views. It's chill.
Enjoy it. All that thing.
Guys, it's a few hours later, so we're getting ready to go do ATVs. I'm not gonna bring this camera with me. I do have a small camera in my phone, so we're gonna see what footage I'll get. So yeah, the driver is here now, so we're gonna go. Excited?
Yeah.
Let's go look at some rabbits. I'm actually scared of rabbits. Yes. They're cute, but I'm scared of them. Big chonkers. They're really rats.
Peter Cottontail.
You never watch where you're walking. That's the fourth.
Oh, this shit is dope. Oh, God.
Black man.
river and then travel up here. So here used to be an aqueduct. For the water to travel on top of it, hit the big wheel inside, then you could spin the wheel and then power up the press on the other end over there to squeeze up the sugar cane. So this right here is 400 years old. It was more like slaves that used to be released back in the 1700s. It was more the French and the British at the time. Yeah, if you guys want, you can head inside, check it out, take pictures. No snakes, no spiders, nothing that can harm you guys. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Take pictures for me.
Okay. No, everyone's pictures are so good from in the water.
That's crazy.
Oh my god. This is so scary.
Look, you can hear when the sun is up.
Right. We came to get some lunch. Aww.
So in US it's $35.20. EC it's $93.98. Alright? Please note the amount you're gonna see on your credit card receipts is $10. Yeah? I do the bluish.
Oh, what?
We only have one beef burger.
Okay, what else? Let me see. He can have a beef burger. I know that's what
We
he
have
wants.
chicken burger. If you want to do the chicken, or the other option would be a vegan burger.
I'll do the vegan. Yeah.
With cheese on it as well?
No cheese.
No cheese. Yeah.
The same way we got no mayo, no.
No, that's the beef burger. You want mayo?
Yeah, I want everything but no cheese. What is it made out of? What is it made out of?
Which one?
The vegan burger.
Cauliflower, broccoli,
Oh.
chickpeas,
Yeah.
lentils, and stuff. The rest is yours. The staple copy of the beer.
Sun setting.
Didn't your mother's warn you not to go into Central Park at night? My mother was the reason you didn't go in the Central.
If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big.
Last words.
We came, we saw, we rode ATVs through the farms,
The
beaches, the backwoods of St. Lucia.
And we're ready to get back to the States.
Yes.
We're ready. But it was so much fun. Yeah. I just missed, like, yeah.
It was fun.
It was. But I think the perfect amount of time here
3 days
is a good amount of time. Unless you need more excursion time, but other than that,
Waterfalls, Mudbath, Volcano.
right, those are the popular things. The only thing I wish we did was the street party in Gross Gillette, which is up north, and we would have had to take a water taxi. But that's only on Fridays, so yeah. Well, we'll see you guys again this weekend. We got fun this weekend coming up, but